Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the homework so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the Shark AV2501S Ultra Robot Vacuum, aka Sharky. And on the right, we've got the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner, or, as we like to call it, ROPI. So which of these two little cleaning warriors is going to win the battle of the bots? Let's find out. First up, let's talk price. Sharky comes in at a wallet-busting $549. Some reviewers feel it's a bit steep, but justify it with its advanced features like self-emptying and HEPA filtration. Meanwhile, ROPI, the budget-friendly warrior, is just $299. Reviewers love the value it offers, especially with its mopping function and strong suction power. With that price difference, you could buy a second ROPI and have them race each other around the house. But hey, let's see if Sharky's got the moves to justify that extra cash. Time to talk suction. Sharky boasts incredible suction that can tackle the toughest messes. Reviewers have praised its ability to pick up significant debris and leave suction lines in the carpet. ROPI, on the other hand, packs a 4,000 pascals punch. Reviewers highlight its impressive dirt pickup capabilities and effectiveness on various surfaces. Both vacuums have strong motors, but Sharky might edge out with its smart suction technology. Next up, navigation. Sharky uses matrix clean navigation, cleaning in a precise grid pattern. Reviewers appreciate its systematic approach and ability to cover every inch. ROPI isn't slacking either. It's got a high-coverage sensing system and multiple algorithms. Reviewers find it navigates well around furniture and reaches hard-to-access areas. Both are smart, but Sharky might have the edge with its more advanced grid pattern. Now, let's talk about the gross stuff. Emptying the bin. Sharky's got a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris. Reviewers love this feature for its convenience, comparing it to having a tiny butler. ROPI, though, doesn't have a self-emptying base, which means you'll have to get your hands dirty. Reviewers don't mind this as much due to its easy maintenance and cleaning. Calling all pet owners. Sharky claims to be perfect for homes with pets, thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filtration. Reviewers with pets rave about its effectiveness in picking up pet hair and reducing allergens. ROPI also caters to pet owners with its no-entanglement design and dual rotating brushes. Reviewers love its strong suction and ability to handle pet hair on various surfaces. Both are great for pet owners, but Sharky's HEPA filtration might give it a slight edge. Let's talk stamina. Sharky has an extended runtime of up to 120 minutes and can recharge and resume. Reviewers compare it to a marathon runner, appreciating its ability to clean large areas without interruption. ROPI also boasts a self-recharge feature, and reviewers note its long-lasting battery and efficient cleaning. Both have good stamina, but Sharky's specified runtime and resume feature might give it a slight advantage. Reviewers generally have high praise for both vacuums. Sharky is lauded for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and pet-friendly features, though its price is a sticking point. ROPI is appreciated for its affordability, strong suction, and versatility, especially with its mopping function. Both vacuums receive high marks for their cleaning capabilities and smart features. So there you have it, folks. Sharky with its high-tech features and hefty price tag versus ROPI, the budget-friendly, pet-loving powerhouse. If you've got the cash to splash, Sharky could be your robotic cleaning overlord. But if you're looking for a reliable cleaner without breaking the bank, ROPI's got your back. Which one's going to join your household? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart buying advice. Until next time, keep it clean, keep it smart, and keep it funny. See you later, smart shoppers. Product links are in the description.